Yep.
Or combinations. Hold that movement.
Be a little more aggressive, Holden. There you go. There you go. Throw him back. There you go. Throw him back, Holden. Throw him back. There you go. There you go. Good shots.
Watch that feet. Move around a little bit. Make them march right. There you go. I see a hook over there. Touch to that body. Good. Move up. Move up. Southpaw versus orthodox. Which way works very effective? You got it. Let's get it. Come on. Go with your power hand. Come on. Go with your power hand. Now you just got a weak hand. Let's go. If you keep going that way, you got a weak hand. Come on. Come on.
Throw those jabs, Holden. Throw them. Throw them, Holden. There you go. There you go. Good shot. There you go. Work it. Work it. There you go, Holden. Keep up those triples. There you go. Keep them up. Keep up those doubles and triples. There you go. Keep those hands up. A minute left.
Hands up, hand up. Good. Go with his power.
Hey, throw them back, Holden. Throw them back. 30 seconds left. Throw them back. There you go. Good shot. Body. There you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good round. Good round. All right, let's talk about it. Good round. To the corner. Good round. Corner. To the corner.